Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Epidemic sound in DaVinci Resolve without audio issues step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. Ensure you have the latest version of Epidemic sound installed. Navigate to your media pool within DaVinci Resolve. Import your existing project that uses Epidemic sound music. Locate the audio track that contains the Epidemic sound music. Select the audio track, then right-click and choose Link Clips. This will help to keep your audio in sync during updates. Next, go to the Epidemic Sound website. Log into your account and navigate to your music library. Download the updated version of the track you used in your project. Once the download is complete, return to DaVinci Resolve. In the media pool, right-click and choose Import Media. Select the newly downloaded Epidemic soundtrack. Replace the existing audio track in your timeline with the new version. Ensure the new track is lined up correctly with your video. If necessary, adjust the audio levels to match your project. Play through the timeline to check for any audio issues. If everything sounds good, you're ready to continue editing. Save your project to ensure all changes are preserved. Export your project as needed, confirming the audio quality aligns with your expectations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.